Hey yarn friends, welcome back to LlamaMamaKayla's Yarn Tube. I appreciate you all tuning in today. As you can see, Phoebe is very excited about our day 15 Advent baggies. We did skip yesterday because we wasn't here to record, and so she is very excited about getting her baggie today. She's like, she knows she missed a day and she needs to make it up today. Is that right, Phoebe? Are you ready? So anyway, I'm going to let Phoebe have her little Advent treat baggie real quick. You ready? Oh my goodness, Phoebe. Oh, look at here. Can you get it? All right, she got her treat. It'll take her about 2 seconds to eat that up. Here's my 15-day baggie. Let's see what I got today. And I do have 14 little stockings up on the door. I'll show you all in 1 second. So now I got some purple sparkly yarn. It's a little bulky purple. It has sparkle in it. I've gotten a let me see what colors over here. I've gotten a pink like this and a blue like this, and now a purple. So I'll make up a little stocking with that. And the other thing in my bag is dark chocolate coated with peppermint cookie stir. Wow. I've never had things like this, so that's interesting. I guess you use it in coffee rather than tea since it's chocolate. So I'll have to get, the thing I had the other day that was a salted caramel. It was like a big, it was kind of like a big Reese cup, except it didn't have peanut butter in it. It was chocolate and then caramel on top of that connected to that little stirring spoon. And so I had a cup of caramel coffee. Okay, I was trying to think of the whole name of it, but it was a caramel coffee and added that to it. Oh my goodness, that was so good. It was a nice little treat. So I might try my coffee with this peppermint stirring stick. It's chocolate and peppermint, I guess. All right. Well, I do have a card to share today that I got from Miss Margaret. Very pretty stocking card. Isn't that beautiful? And it says Merry Christmas right there on it. And then she wrote just a quick little message in there saying thank you. And so I was reading on the back of the card. Very interesting. I love that. It just says that this card is preferably sent by a friend of St. Joseph's Indian School, a residential facility of Lakota children. With God's guidance, St. Joseph provides an education, spiritual renewal, and Lakota cultural development. And it's St. Joseph's Indian School. That is very interesting. They probably sell these cards for a fundraiser or something, I'm assuming, and Margaret can let us know. But I just thought that was very neat. So anyway, thank you for the card, Margaret. I appreciate that, and I will add it to my door of cards and stockings. Can you come over this way, Phoebe? Good girl. Good girl. Okay, so I'm going to turn the camera really slow so you can see all my little stockings up there. And my cards have just grown from the top, going down the sides now. And so I'll try to get a shot of that later and put it on Instagram. But thank you all for each of the cards that you've sent me. I appreciate that very much. It's been so nice seeing the cards. Okay, if you could you come over here? Oh my goodness, girl. You are some kind of spoiled. Anyway, I appreciate you all very much. And today I did read Luke 15, or actually I think I read it yesterday. But while I was reading it, I just kept thinking of, you know, choices. It all boils down to choices that we make. We can do the right thing or we can make bad choices. So always try to do the right thing and, you know, think wisely before you make your choice to do foolish things. But I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all, and I hope you have a great day. And I will see you all again very soon. Huh, Phoebe? We'll see them soon, because we got to do day 16 video while we're at home. We need to get that recorded. So thanks, guys. Bye-bye.